Zephyrus G14 slots in a niche of its own somewhere between compact ultrabooks and performance 15-inch ultraportables as the most powerful 14-inch notebook of the moment. Asus nailed the build quality, the ergonomics and the performance and pretty much everything else in this sort of a form factor but the high internal and chassis temperatures in demanding loads. Razer and MSI tried recently by sticking a GTX 1650 GPU inside 13 and 14-inch chassis with the Stealth 13 and the Prestige 14, but paired with Core U processors, questionable thermals, and some execution flaws. Those products haven't been as well received as their manufacturers and potential buyers were hoping, and that brings us to the laptop that we have, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. It's a joint effort from Asus, AMD and Nvidia and brings up a competent Ryzen 4000 HS hardware platform and up to Nvidia RTX 2060 graphics in a compact premium chassis without compromising on ergonomics, battery life or screen quality. Zephyrus G14 GA401 IH starts with a Ryzen 5 4600HS processor, 6C/12T, 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage and a GTX 1655 0W GPU, and the mid-tier Zephyrus G14 GA404 IU variant gets 16GB of RAM and GTX 1660 Ti 60W graphics, both with a FHD 120HS screen. Careful that the IH models get single-channel memory. Zephyrus checks most of the ergonomic aspects I'd want in a modern laptop. The front lip and corners are blunted and friendly to the wrists. The screen can be easily raised and adjusted with a single hand, and grippy rubber feet keep this nicely anchored on the desk even with the screen raised on its small feet with the Ergo Lift hinge design.